In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Robinhood Crypto. We'll walk through the simple web-based process, along with a few key points to keep in mind so your first purchase is smooth and stress-free. Before you place an order, make sure your account is ready. You'll need a funded Robinhood account, which means depositing money first. Keep in mind that some deposits take time to settle, so if you just added funds, you may have to wait before you can use them for crypto. Your identity must be verified, which is a standard requirement for financial platforms, and crypto trading needs to be enabled on your account. If any of these aren't complete, you'll be blocked from buying until they are. Once you're set, head to Robinhood.com on your computer and log in. On the main navigation, click Crypto. This takes you to the list of available coins and tokens. Browse the list and select the coin you want to purchase. Take a moment to look at the price chart and basic details so you understand what you're about to buy. Next, click Buy. You'll see a field where you can enter how much you want to spend. On Robinhood, you don't have to buy a whole coin. Fractional purchases are supported, so you can enter a dollar amount that fits your budget. As you type, you'll typically see an estimate of how much of the coin that amount represents. Double-check the symbol and the amount to make sure everything looks right. Now click Review. This is your confirmation screen. It summarizes your order and reminds you that crypto orders on Robinhood execute at the market price. Because crypto prices move quickly, the final execution price can differ from what you saw a moment ago. If the details look good, click Submit Order. Your order will process at the current market price, and you should receive an on-screen confirmation once it's completed. A few important reminders as you buy. Crypto is not FDIC or SIPC insured, so it doesn't have the same protections as cash in a bank account or securities in a brokerage account. Prices can be highly volatile, so be prepared for rapid changes before, during, and after you place an order. If you recently deposited funds, you may need to wait until they settle before your order can go through. That's it. You've learned how to prepare your account, navigate to the crypto section on the web, choose a coin, and place a market order by entering an amount, reviewing, and submitting. Follow these steps each time, and you'll be ready to buy crypto on Robinhood with confidence.